Hey, honey.
Hello.
What you doing?
Nothing.
Why is everything ripped apart?
Because
Because why?
I'm just putting the new shocks on it because I don't want the car to be bumpy ride for you and the kids. I just want to have a nice ride for you guys.
A nice ride for us?
Yeah.
When's the last time we've been in this car?
Well, that's why, because it's not a very smooth ride.
Oh, okay. All right. And what else are you working on?
That's about it.
Okay. All right. What about, isn't there rockers or something over here you were doing?
Oh yeah, well the valve train was a little noisy. I know you guys don't like a noisy valve train, so I put new rockers and stuff.
I think a lot of this is BS of what you're telling me. I think you're trying to make this car go faster.
Maybe a little bit. You got me. Okay. In the beginning of this season, or whatever you want to call it, in previous videos, I said that I would really be happy with this car running 11.2s. That's really what I was shooting for. And the last time I was down at Maple Grove, you've watched the videos, I did 11.16, 11.19, and 11.21. So realistically, I got my goals, at least what I was shooting for. That's what I wanted out of this motor. So that's where it was. And I was happy for about
3 hours?
3 hours, about 3 hours. That's about as much as I was happy. So, okay, first of all, right now, what I'm doing is putting competition engineering shocks in. These are adjustable three-way. You can go 90-10, 60-40. I don't know. It's three. I'm doing 90-10 because I want to transfer the weight a little bit better. So that's what I'm shooting for. The big thing I did to the car, me and Pat, we put 1.6, 1 to 6 rockers on it. Okay, had it 1 to 5. Ran pretty good with that, but let's put a little bit more, give it a little bit more of a cam in it. Make it not cam, but make it sound like it's a little bit more lift and duration. So that's what we're going for. So we're gonna see if we're shooting for the 10s. We're shooting for the 10s. That's what we're shooting for.
I knew it.
Yeah, well, it was pure pressure. It was pure pressure. I just,
Couldn't wait for next season. You had to do it today,
Yep,
right?
Yep. Got to put it. Got it. Well, got a couple more testing tunes. One's coming up on Sunday at Maple Grove. I'm not sure if the weather permitting. If not, the weekend after that is Cecil County, which I never ran at Cecil County. I went to Cecil County quite a few times. My son ran there. I never ran this car at Cecil County.
Josh does good at Cecil County.
Yeah, well, the thing is Cecil County, I don't know if it's the air or the elevation or what it is, but you usually run at least a tenth faster there. That's what I heard. Josh does do good there, so if I get this car in the 10s, I think I'll be satisfied for a little bit.
No, you won't. for about 3 hours.
Yeah, so anyhow, the video's taking a little bit of time to get out. Where were we? Where were we just at?
Ocean City, Maryland.
Ocean City, Maryland for the cruise.
First time ever down.
First time ever down. I didn't take a car down. It was kind of spur of the moment deal. My lovely wife put the trip together for us. My son goes down. My son and my daughter-in-law go down springtime and fall, and we had to go down and check it out. Hopefully I got some good videos. My whole idea with the videos is that there were so many cars there you can't count them. I'm talking, it is overwhelming how many cars.
Thousands and thousands.
Thousands and thousands, and you can be down there all weekend long. You can be down there for, you will never ever see them all. As we're leaving, we're seeing cars we didn't see yet. It's unreal. Now, we did get some videos of the cars, but what I tried to do was take video of the overall energy of the place. Like there's a couple places like a 7-Eleven and a Dunkin' Donuts and I think a Wawa where cars come and park and they kind of pull through and drive. It's unbelievable. I hate to use these type of words like the energy of the place, but it's crazy. It's crazy. I'm talking killer cars, whether it be beautiful or killer street racers or killer racer. I mean, I'm talking nasty cars. And hopefully I got some good videos for you so you can watch it. We had a great time. Again, hopefully next time we'll take one of these cars down.
Spring.
Springtime, yep, springtime we're shooting for. Lots going on. I thought I'd be working on the 57 by now, and I did start working on it, but I want to try one or two more runs with this thing for the season, and we'll see where we're at. But the problem is things are going so good. I don't know why I couldn't just put it away for the winter time and work on it. Well, you know what? I'm in it now, so I'm sticking with it. So why don't you kick back and watch some videos. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully we did a good job, and I'll see you later.
That's what I want, an Impala. Right. And Michelle.
Look at that. That's like nasty. Ay, ay, ay. That's like race car / show car. Look how far back this thing. So pretty. Look at that car.
Everybody followed the already.
This truck. That truck is so cool, man. Yeah, look at this stuff.
okay. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, that's fine. That's good. That's good. Thank you. Get back up a little bit, hon. What's the carousel? Oh, she's in. Sorry. That's okay. No, that's fine. I'm sorry.
Well, we got first. It just happened.
Hello.
Hi, honey.
Hi. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We enjoyed making it. I can't tell you again how much Ocean City is such a crazy. It's worth seeing. It really is. My friend's been telling me about it for years now. My son, my daughter-in-law, they all say you gotta go. Yeah, I see why you gotta go. It's only thing I gotta say. Not having a car there kind of sucked a little bit. But then I heard people who do take cars and they're worried about I mean, I want to take a car. So anyhow, thanks again for watching. Today was the day of testing tune at Maple Grove. I did not make it. I went and checked it out. It was so busy there. They had so many events going on at the same time because I think they're trying to get everything in that it was just so busy. I don't know. I mean, I went there already. I got like one run for like in 6 hours. So I just don't want to take that chance. Because I have a new setup on the car with the new rockers and new shocks, I want a little chance to, take some pulls, test hits on the road a little bit. I definitely feel I gotta tune the carb to the setup now. When I did take it out the first time, this new setup, I got the hesitation back a little bit, so I got to do a little work to the carb. So I think I'm going to take this chance to, maybe tune it the best I can, just on the street and just running, at normal RPMs. But so yeah, I definitely want to get to one more test and tune this season. I'm anxious now, but we'll see what the weather brings and what the tracks are having, and we'll go from there. But thank you again for watching. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. See ya.